Hello YouTubers, I've got a 3,500 pound leaf spring. I've got a MORryde wet bolt kit I'm wanting to put in. These new leaf springs I'm putting in, they have a new nylon bushing. So one way I found to get them out is take a MAP gas torch, heat them up. Both sides tends to work better, just get it hot. And these basically just, you can kind of push them out after this point. It's kind of hard to do one-handed, but that's out. And then what I found for pressing in these new brass ones, get yourself a long bowl, or this is a piece of all thread, a couple nuts, some washers, and you're just actually gonna press this new one in. Sorry, I don't have any fancy camera equipment, so this is just to help somebody get by. But you get the point. I'll need two hands to do it, but crescent wrench or a wrench on that side. I choose to use the impact on the other. You can get it in with a ratchet and a socket, but that way you just squeeze it in at that point and it'll stop when both the washers come together. So hopefully that helps somebody.